Hello, my name is Debby van Rotterdam, and today we are going to talk about how the AgroCares approach differs from the traditional approach in soil testing. So, first of all, the traditional approach. What you do is you go to the field, you take a soil sample, it is brought to the lab, it's pre-processed, subsamples taken, it is analyzed for different parameters, and for the nutrients a classification is made in which it is either low, neutral or high. Sometimes 5 classes are made. Then the classes are coupled to recommendations. So every step of this process has an error bar. So in the field there is an error when you take a subsample, a sample, because the field is not homogeneous. There's a lot of variation within your field. When you have your 1 kilogram of soil, you take a subsample. This also introduces an error. You dry the soil, you grind the soil. It all introduces an error when you go from your big field into your very small, a few grams of soil. When you analyze, actually, the analytical error is not that large. When you classify, you increase your error again, and when you go to your recommendations, your error is huge because the recommendations are usually for one country or one big area. So what does the AgroCares approach? It focuses on this part. Because the products we have are cost effective and real time, you can take many more soil samples. So the error bar in the soil samples is reduced. We have taken a lot of time and effort to take good subsamples. So again here the error bar is smaller. Analytical results, because we work with prediction models, are a little bit larger. All in all, the overall error in the whole approach is much smaller, and it's a new way of looking at soil testing. The other part, we'll talk in the next film, is on the huge potential this part has, because the real error is introduced in this part, and this is the part we will work on.